Hey dude, so it is pouring out here. It is like 9 o'clock at night, and the lightning is getting pretty nice. That's better. Now you can see just how much it's raining out here. It is pouring. I'm wondering what kind of flashlight I'm using. It's this one from Harbor Freight. Oh my goodness. Try and get the thunder. It was much louder in person than it was on camera.